Hi, Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux into a ProxMox Virtual Machine. Let's go. A quick note, you can follow all steps in this video tutorial at my GitHub page. But now, first, we are going to log in into our ProxMox dashboard we've installed in the video shown in the upper right corner. Next, we have to provide ProxMox with the Kali Linux ISO file. Navigate to a machine and choose ISO images in the menu. We are going to download that image from the following website. After we've downloaded the ISO file, we are going to upload it to our ProxMox machine as shown in the video. Second, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Give it a name. Select your uploaded ISO file. Enable the Kemu agent for this machine. Next, give your machine at least 64 megs of disk space. Next, give your machine a little more CPU power. Next, I'm going to give Kali exactly 8 megs of memory. Finally, click Finish. Start your virtual machine. Select Graphical Install. Select your language. Select your location. Select your locales. Select your keyboard layout. Provide a host name. Provide a domain name. Provide a name. A username. And a password. Partition that disk. Choose Guided Use Entire Disk. Choose all files in one partition. Choose Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Choose Yes to erase all data. Leave software selection as default. Be sure to install the Grub bootloader on your main hard disk. Click Continue to reboot. Wait until you can log in into your newly installed Kali Linux. Set up your network and IP address. In this tutorial, we will use the following values. Reboot your machine. You should be able to connect to the internet now. Let's see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Spiky out.